My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the browser notifications that derive from the website, pretty suspicious website that is called Ukindwouldm.xyz. If you try to analyze the name of this website, definitely it doesn't make any sense. But periodically this particular website may appear in your browser. Mainly it targets Google Chrome, even though some other browsers may be also attacked by these pop-ups. They try to make you click on a special Allow button, but to click on Allow is risky and dangerous. If you do that, this means that you will start receiving the great portion of advertisements in the right part of the screen. Some of them you can already see, and definitely they are very much annoying, and they keep distracting you while you are online, and very often they even display some really bad, filthy content. Sometimes they may point you to many shady websites. So if you have clicked on Allow button, it was definitely a mistake, but the good thing is that this mistake can be easily fixed. So now we will do that manually. Access the menu of your browser, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, go to Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. So you need to find this malicious site, Ukindwouldm.xyz, and remove it from the list. And if you see any other unwanted ads popping up, of course you need to remove these other malicious websites that are causing such troubles on your screen. So step by step, get rid of all these junk sites that are representing the problem for your browsing. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.